Tired of clicking around Namecheap trying to find your domains? I know the feeling. You log in, you know you have domains registered, but the dashboard can feel like a maze. Here's exactly how to pull up your full domain list in seconds. No more hunting. We'll start from the home page, navigate to the domain list, then filter and refresh to see everything. Let's go. All right, so first things first, make sure you're logged into your Namecheap account. Just head over to the main Namecheap homepage. This is where everything starts. And here's the thing. The trick isn't in some hidden menu. It's right in front of you, once you know where to look. Now, look at the top of the page for the button that simply says New. It should be in the main navigation bar. Go ahead and click on that. This is your shortcut. It opens up a quick menu of all the recent and most used sections of your account, so you don't have to dig through layers of menus every single time. From that drop-down menu that just appeared, you'll see an option called Domain List. Click on that. This is going to take you directly to a page that lists all your domains. But wait, we're not quite done yet, because there are a couple of filters we need to check. Once the Domain List page loads, you'll see the main area where your domains should appear, but sometimes it shows a blank slate or a summary. So look for a highlighted area. It might be a bar or a section that says something about showing all of your products. Click on that highlighted area. It's like telling Namecheap, yes, show me everything I own. Next, you're going to click on the word Domains. This is usually a tab or a filter option within that area. This narrows the view down specifically to your domain names, so it doesn't try to show you your hosting or SSL certificates mixed in there. And then, right after that, you'll click on All Products. I know it sounds backwards. First you click Domains, then you click All Products. But trust me on this one. In my experience, what this does is it overrides the default view, which might only show domains that are expiring soon or are locked. Clicking All Products forces the system to pull up every single domain name attached to your account, regardless of its status. Now, take a deep breath, because this is the most important part. Look for the refresh button. It's usually near the top or the side of the domain list. Click on that to refresh the list. This might take a moment to process. Namecheap has to query its database for all of your domains. But once it finishes, you should see your complete portfolio. From here, if you want to manage any of these domains, click on the Actions button right next to the domain you are interested in. This opens up all the management options, like DNS settings, forwarding, and contact info. And finally, if you are looking to add more domains to your portfolio, you will click on Transfer In. This is the button to start moving domains you own at another registrar over to Namecheap. So now you know exactly where your domain list lives, how to force it to show everything, and where to go to manage or transfer them. You are no longer lost in the dashboard.